Hi guys, my name's Cara. A few of my friends have asked me to share some of the stuff I cook at home. I like to make really tasty, simple, kind of easy recipes, and sometimes just use a pantry dive and see what ingredients I have at home to get a bit more creative. Sometimes I like to make something a bit more complex, other times something super easy with like 3 ingredients. Yeah, and I guess I come from an Italian background. I love Asian food though, and Vietnamese food, and I work in restaurants and hospitality venues in Melbourne. So I've got a real passion for that and trying new things. So yeah, if you'd like to follow me and see what I come up with, I don't really know what's going to happen at the time. I just see how I feel on the day. So yeah, if you're in for a bit of a surprise, follow me. Thanks.